Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm going to add in this fetch character instruction, but before I do that, as I mentioned at the end of the last episode, I'm going to move some stuff around here to, I guess, having, for lack of a better term, they have like string instructions. I guess maybe that's where I should put these. Yeah, so let's actually do that. Let's follow what it's calling string instruction handlers. Okay. And I'm going to come to the X. No, don't pin that. Pinning is bad. Internal sealed class. What do we... Instruction handlers. Oh, and I got to remember to add it to the instruction mapper. Oh, it automatically does that. That's right. For me. Yay! Okay. We also want the fetch character instruction, which is a literal single tick, so we got to escape it. Oh, that's beautiful. There we go. Okay. Sorry. Sometimes I forget. I forget my own language. So, all right. So, isn't the number one easier to do? Yes. I don't know why there's always a space that it puts at the end of the code. I don't know why I'd do that. Okay, go back here. We're going to say string instruction handler, fetch, string instruction handler, string mode instruction. Okay. All right. So we're going to do this. String instruction handler. If we get a string mode instruction, context in string mode is equal to the not of the context in string mode. Done. Okay? So that takes care of that one. Fetch character instruction. We're just going to break right now. We need to handle that eventually. Okay, but we're just going to break right now. So if we come to the executor, we're going to take that out to make it explicit that we're not handling this anymore. Okay, so now we basically don't need to do this anymore here. Okay, we just let that handle it. And that should be it. Let's see for test pass. Did I break any in-string handling? This is a bad sign. Yeah, I think I did break something. That when it doesn't like tell you that the tests are finished, I think that means that it literally couldn't stop. And so these two are now spinning. Why would they be spinning? Well, let's find out. Go back to here. It's good that the rest of it didn't die. Okay. It's always the funny ones that mess with you. Okay. So we have 3 cells. Wait. Yeah, okay. So we make the context the mapper while true. If it's currently an end or quit, it is not. We run the trace, so we are in string mode, we are not, so we say handle. Move, next, run trace. The current is now 9. Neither that nor that. In string mode, nope, we shouldn't be. We handle it. Move next, which is now a quit. Yes. So now we say if, right, which is that, we pop it, we return the current value, and it finishes. So that's, oh, okay. That was weird. Why would it not have finished? What in the world? I mean, yeah, when it's... You can hear my fan take off because it means it's trying to... If I just run this test, why would you keep spinning? That doesn't make any sense. This just has... Dun, 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 and then out. Okay. So we come into here. We are not in string mode. We say handle. Move. Come into here. We're not in a string mode. Now we should be, though. Yes, we are. Move next. Run trace. Come into here. Right now we're in string mode. Push a knob. Except now we're going to push... Ah, crap. We never get out of in string mode because we do that. How did that ever happen before? Contains white space. Current location is previous location. Did contains white space assume I am not sure that either of this is going to be correct. Because that doesn't help with me getting out of this, because this is going to push the value. So this had a space in here before, so it would have pushed a value in there. I don't think we want to... Well, here's the problem. What would have happened before, if I go look at this code before, is that if the current value was... is there a way to say just show the... Whatever. I wish it had a way to say like hide the new changes, but whatever. If what you see is a string mode instruction, then you immediately just flip these. And then you would say, wait, I actually see the old code. No, not. You flip it. So you're no longer in string mode. maybe what I need to do is say handle it first. Because you want to handle it. That puts you in string mode. Move to the next one. If you're in string mode, now you're actually literally handling strings. No. Well, let's see. Maybe by switching that. Neither one. You're not. Handle. Next. Not. Handle. You are in string mode. See, that now flips it, so you actually push a no op. But if I push the current value, why do I make things so much harder in my brain than they should be? By handling it, I put it into string mode. If I'm in string mode, because now the current is the one that's going to close it. So I can't push that onto the stack. But I have to handle it. But I can't handle it. This has to be handled specially because, God bless it. Ugh. I don't want to have this. I don't want to have this in the executor. It really should not be there. Well, you know. I just solved my own problem. If you hit a string instruction, then you within the string instruction handler, you just keep pushing values onto the stack and moving until you actually get to a terminating one. And this has nothing to do with it. Yeah. Right. How did I print this off before? Because you'd have to print it to the... What would print it? Oh, that's right. You have to have the comma there. Right. Sorry, I'm being an idiot. Iron refunge. You close it. All right, this pushes everything on the stack, and then you just keep trampolining, I think. Once you get to the end, this keeps going like back. I think that's what that's doing, if I remember right. So once you get to the closing one, then you just stop. Okay, well, let's try that. Because that's right. String mode just pushes everything onto the stack as a the current value. Yes, okay. So when we're here, if we get a string mode instruction, let's just do this as a while true. Yeah, I know you're not going to break because I'm going to... we want to move to the next one if this is the problem too. Okay, no. Okay. Now I do this, and I'm still not convinced this is right. I want to put a to-do in here, because I don't, well, you know, is contains white space biased to a x direction. In other words, I'm always assuming you're putting a string in this way or that way or this way. Why though? You could put a string going up and down. That would be, it would look weird, but there's nothing to say, that's wrong. But in any event, yeah, Executor contains white space. That no longer is there. So we take that out. It's getting messy, but that's okay. So instruction handler. There. Yep, okay. So we hit the string. We move, we go next. Now we could jump over 5 because we have 5 spaces there, but that's what we say. Now if you just moved over 5 spaces and you got a bunch of space, you do that. If context current equals is a cell, value is a char, equals string instruction handler, string mode instruction, then we break. Else, we push the current value onto the stack. And once we break out of it, we break out of the case. Okay, so let's see this. If I have a, let's put a, I mean, this is going to be reversed from what I wanted, but that's okay. And let's assuming we're going that way. Okay. So we hit the string. And this is what we're on. So we say move, and that is next. Okay. Now, if what is current compared to previous contains white space, which it wouldn't. But now if our current is string mode instruction, which it isn't, we break out. Otherwise, we push that on the stack. We go back to the top. We move, that's the next. No white space. It is in string mode. We push this. We go back to the top. We move, we go to next. This will have white space, so it's going to push a no-op, which is that thing there. Okay. It's not a string mode. It pushes this, goes through. Okay. X, not, pushes. Pushes, pushes. Come here. Well, we push that value. Move next. It's no there. It's not that. We break. We push that on. We move to the next instruction, which is this. Is there white space? Yes, it would have pushed white space there. But also need to push enough white space, because that would need 3 or 2. 1, 2. The difference from the current instruction to the previous needs to tell you how much no ops you push. But we're here. Okay. Now we're back into string mode instruction. So we break out. And then we come back to the executor because now we have finished handling it. It's going to move in next. We've done everything we need to do here. So in other words, all this crap goes away. That's done there. Holy cow, I'm getting a lot of buzzing. Whatever. Okay. I can go back to my timer. So, yeah, I actually like this because it pushes the string handling literally where it should be, which is here. Okay, what breaks? Isn't that the question all the time? What breaks? A couple things. The name math does not exist in the current oh, well, I guess that would help. Just, I swear to God, the Test Explorer sometimes I just want to smack. Stop. Are you still running tests? And we pass all of them. Alrighty, well, what can we run here? We can get our pie. What about our 99 bottles? How's that going to do? Yuck. Okay, that's fine. How about hello with random? Behold, yay. Okay, so guess what? We just did the string instruction. Okay, so refactored. Oh, forget. Oh, God. See? See? This is why I like that feature, because of morons like me. So we're on the fetch character. That's what we've been trying to do, is the fetch character. Okay. So we're going to make a branch. 22, add fetch character instruction. New branch. Yes. Bring my changes into there. Yes. Okay. I'm going to say 22 added or refactored in string support. Publish. Yes. Okay. Now we're on a roll. But I'm at the time for this episode. So all of that to really not even add the fetch character handling. But this is good. Okay. So I'm going to do another one. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.